Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I'm Jay, and today we're going to follow on from the previous videos that I created. We made mazes using simple softwares. So these are the mazes. As you can see, I'm over in Canva, and what we're going to do, we're going to upload these, and I've made them rock hard. If you remember, I made them like impossible mazes, and they look at the state of that. Yeah. Now these are going to get uploaded to Etsy. They're not making them in the box, these, so we can have them like more or less to the full length of the paper. Yeah, we don't have to worry about bleed or anything like that. Yeah, so leave it like that. That can be the first page. Then we're going to want the solutions for that, aren't we? But we won't do it yet. Yeah, I suppose we could do. We'll add the solutions on. Let me just try something, alright guys. So if we duplicate that, so we can just do it like that. Alright, so I'll do it like that. Then I'll do that again. Oh no, we've got a triangle one now. Yeah, because we made different shapes with all the rock hard impossible mazes. We want it to get as big as we can, so then people can actually see like all the little lines, because it's huge. It's tiny, isn't it? Yeah. So then if we duplicate that now, then hopefully now that should lock into place. Yeah. Yeah. So that's good. We've got this. We've got a square. Keep the flag on. I suppose it matters, is it? When it get chopped off. So then we duplicate that one, put the square in. Looking a bit tiny. Hopefully we can drag it. So does it make it big enough or not? Yeah. Right, so then we also made this star one, didn't we? Remember, the star one was like custom. Make it a little bit smaller. So that will just lock into place. Yeah, so there we have it. We've got 8 mazes, yeah, and then also do then, guys. They come down to here. Now, if they were for kids, you could add some colour. You could add some text and some pictures and images and that, yeah. But for the sake of this video, download as print. We don't want all pages, do we? Let's get rid of all them. We only want the first 8. Now, if you're uploading this to KDP, you wouldn't have the solutions on one page. You probably like put a few on, multiple on the page. That's what most people tend to do, although these are quite hard, so it'd be hard if they're that small. Yeah. Anyway, so that's all I do for the images I create, yeah. And then what I'll do then, guys, I went over to Google, and I typed in Etsy image size, and it kind of tells you here like 2,700 pixels wide and 2,025 pixels tall, yeah. Then you come over to Canva again, and I've already created it, yeah. 1 minute, guys. What I need to do is downloading these again, but I'm also going to download them in the PNG. Yeah. So then we've got them then for upload to Canva in a minute. Let me just quickly do this. I think it's going to be my last video as well tonight, guys. I'm pretty tired. So I'm just going to quickly just opening a zip file, guys. You can see on the screen now it's opened files. So I'll just create a folder now. I'll drag and drop these into it. Yeah, get rid of this. Right, that. Then what I'll do then, guys, back onto Canva and drag these into here. Yeah, luckily it worked. And then what I do, guys, once these are uploaded, I create the design. Yeah, these are some of the designs I made earlier, like nice crispy one. Yeah, so I've got my thing over there. So I'll just copy this. Yeah, we'll have that on there. We'll have this as well, just to let people know it's a download. Yeah, not sure what colour background we'll have in yet, but what we could do. Bit of orange with a shape on it. What I tend to do put it as a bright red. Yeah. I'll have a bit some text. Yeah. Change the font, and then I'll Comic 2, you know, like that one. Change the font now to white, so I can't see it there. Put it on here, and then I'll just put something like all the caps, maze, puzzles, probably something like that. I mean, give a bit of thought and effort into it, guys. Come up with something good. Yeah, so kind of made that like that. Then I'd upload. Should we change the colour of the background? Should we have it as like green or something? No. Let's just keep it white at the moment. Let's upload our mazes. See if we can get 3 of them on here. Yeah, that should work. Sorry guys, been a bit rude there, right? Yeah, so what I've done there, guys, I've just uploaded that and I should have 4. Put a square in the middle, yeah, and then the triangle, yeah. Triangle there, yeah. So we've got all 3 there. Maybe we could put, I know what we can do. Yeah, this is what I like to do as well, guys. Love that. That's bright green. I also like yeah, I like to duplicate it and just change the colour to white, so it's like white and green. Make it a bit smaller, guys, yeah, and I'll do it like something like that. The green might not be the best colour for this, but we'll stick with it for the time being. Yeah, let me just Sorry guys. Yeah, text, duplicate it, bring it down here, and we'll put, we'll change it to 4. There's 4 mazes into it, guys. Change the colour of that, maybe we'll have that bright red, so it stands out, yeah. Make it a little bit bigger. Do a bit bigger. Yeah, so basically when people look at it this year, they're going to see, oh, maze puzzles, yeah, I like them. They're going to see automatically like it's different shapes. They'll see that it's download, yeah, so they're not thinking that you're going to send it on through post. And then I've kind of a 4 there, so they can think, oh, there's 4. I mean, they're only going to see 3, but on the next slides, when they look up in the listing, they'll see that there's an extra maze. You could put all 4 in if you wanted, guys. I don't always do. Yeah, and then you play around with this. Maybe let's try a different colour. Let's try black. Yeah, what does black look like? Stands out a bit more. Maybe. What about green? A little bit better, but obviously that you'd change that colour to something else. Maybe blue. Maybe. Could do, guys. I mean, you could. Right, play around with these a little bit. So you've got a bit more of the colour. Yeah, you could do that. Play around with it, see what you think. Yeah, keep it like that for now. Yeah, that changed. I didn't know that changed. You could do that, and then that'll be your first Etsy, your Etsy listing. So then you know what you do. Then you go to download it. You don't need got 63 pages here. You don't need all them. Just click on the 1. Yeah, done. Download. That's it, guys. That is how to create the Etsy listings, and if you want to know how I create the books or any more videos like this, let us know, guys. And if you've not done so already, please subscribe. This is my channel, yeah. So I'm can't even speak, guys. I'm that tired. I show you how what I'm earning on Etsy. I show you what I'm earning on Amazon KDP. Also started to show how I earn on my blog, so feel free to check that out. And yeah, whatever I'm learning, I show. Whatever I'm earning, I tell you. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys, and be sure to check out the first video of what I did, which was creating the mazes in the first place, yeah. Then the second video, which I've just shown now, is how to create the listings for Etsy, yeah, because I've only got like 4 mazes, so you can't make a KDP book out of that, so those then are going to Etsy, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for listening, watching, thanks very much, goodbye.